Alrighty guys, let's see something real cool here. So, well, not really cool, because I had an oopsies. I broke the windshield. I guess it doesn't show up. Oh, there it is. You can see it when it's off to the side a little bit. So I busted the windshield, and that sucks because there's no gaskets and stuff. Guess what? The windshield's also discontinued. There was a whole fiasco where I bought a windshield. I contacted Japan Auto Parts Shop. I buy a lot of stuff through them. He's awesome. So he went and found by my chassis code that he was able to get the windshield custom ordered. And what happened was Daihatsu made him one of these windshields. That's obviously not the same thing. It did get the cool blue tint and stuff, like about that far down, built into the glass and stuff. But that's not good enough because this isn't going to fit in the van. And that's what sucks. This is where I find out, okay, so the windshield glass is discontinued. Daihatsu doesn't know which one's a van or whatever. I thought the V designation in the chassis code L500V versus L502S or whatever was enough to determine whether or not it's a van. But according to him, Daihatsu says they don't know which ones of these were converted into van. And therefore, that's why they didn't know it was a van. So that blows. Anyways, there's an aftermarket company that makes windshields for the van, so I wasn't absolutely screwed, and I ordered it. So it was like, what, 33,000 yen? Less than 40,000 yen, something like that. And DHL is freaking crazy. DHL pilots and DHL drivers. Look at this. Automotive glass. All right, let's get this thing down so I can open it. Try not to break it myself. It's not heavy. It's just a little cumbersome. What do you think, guys? Did the glass survive? Let's find out. Let's see. Also, a set of shocks in here for a Honda Z. That's over there. The rear shocks were busted on those. You can see the dark strip, the bronze tint strip here, that's on that, and this one never had it. So that'll help a little bit with some of the sunlight. Yeah. This side got dented too. So hopefully they can salvage these rubber trims. I don't know what's gonna happen. They'll do their best, that's what the body shop said. And they're gonna have to salvage this. There's a little bit of rusty crusties, at least on that side. They're gonna do some of the work when the window is actually out, and then hopefully they can repair all that stuff. So I gotta empty the whole stuff, all the crap in here out before I drop this off at the body shop, probably Monday. It'll be nice to not have this around just so I can get some space back, at least temporarily.
Several days later.
Here we go. Finally picking this back up. Those dents are gone. The little white marks up there are gone. This is really good. Painted to match. The little chip that was up here is fixed. Shout out to Quincy Collision and Frame Center over here. They did an excellent job. Even touched up some of this. Cool. Taking a look inside. It smells like paint, as usual. Let's see. Oh, it's cold. Let me get inside. Alright, so basically he had to peel this molding and stuff back, but it was rusty back there, and he got to fix, the worst of it was down there. He got to fix that. The door wasn't shut all the way, but can't tell it was fixed in here. This windshield luckily was not glued in, it was all by this gasket, and the gasket was actually salvageable, so that's good. Taking another look at this again. On the outside, yeah, looks good. I mean, this overspray stuff, this was actually already there before, so it's not a big deal. This was not broken from my oopsies. Can't even tell it was there. Looks excellent. Finally, we have a nice day where it's nice and sunny. You can clearly see the work even better here. I'm really liking it. The windshield, it's very subtle. It's very subtle with the tint, but it is very noticeable on such a nice bright day like this. It's really nice. The work was fantastic. So plenty of stuff to be fixed, I'm sure, as I keep buying more of these cars. Subscribe to watch more stuff like this. We'll be seeing more of Bob's here because he'll be working on all kinds of stuff. Engine swap coming soon. Yeah, engine swap. See you guys next time.